genius. Do you know who it is? Albert Einstein. Born in 1879, this man changed the world with his theories. He was a mathematician, a physicist, and one of the most influential scientists of all time. His work laid the foundation for many modern technologies that we use today. But what if I told you that he didn't just change the world once, but twice? That's right. In today's episode, we will be taking a look at Albert Einstein's two greatest theories that changed the world. Let's start with theory. 1. The special theory of relativity. This theory was published in 1905 when Einstein was just 26 years old. At the time, scientists believed that time and space were absolute. This meant that no matter where you were in the universe, time would be the same. However, Einstein turned that around and said that time and space are relative, meaning that they depend on the observer's frame of reference. To understand this, let's imagine two people, Alice and Bob. Alice stays on Earth, while Bob takes a rocket into space. Now, according to classical physics, if Bob were to turn on a clock on his rocket, it would be the same time as Alice's clock on Earth. But Einstein said that this is not the case. Because Bob is moving very fast, time slows down for him relative to Alice. This means that if Bob were to return to Earth, he would find that less time has passed for him than for Alice. This may sound like science fiction, but it has been proven by experiments. In fact, this effect is used in a technology called GPS, which relies on the fact that time is affected by gravity. The GPS satellites have to take into account the fact that time is slower on Earth's surface due to the planet's gravity. Without this correction, the GPS system would not work. But there is more. Einstein also said that mass and energy are interchangeable. This is expressed in his famous equation, E equals mc squared, where E represents energy, R represents mass, and c represents the speed of light. This means that mass can be converted into energy, and vice versa. This theory was again proven by experiments, such as the equivalence principle, which showed that mass causes gravity. Before Einstein, scientists had thought that mass and gravity were different phenomena. But Einstein's work showed that they are related. This has had a huge impact on our understanding of the universe. Now let's move on to theory 2, the general theory of relativity. Einstein published this theory in 1915. This theory builds on the special theory of relativity and explains how gravity works. According to Newtonian physics, gravity is a force that depends on mass. This means that if you have two objects, their gravitational attraction depends on their masses. The more massive the objects, the stronger the gravitational force between them. However, Einstein turned this around and said that gravity is not a force, but rather a curvature of spacetime caused by mass. To understand this, let's imagine a trampoline. If you place a bowling ball on the trampoline, it will cause the fabric to sag. This is similar to how mass warps spacetime. And just like the bowling ball, the more massive an object, the more it warps spacetime. This warping of spacetime affects the path of other objects. For example, if you were to roll a marble near the bowling ball, it would not go straight towards the ball, but rather it would curve towards it. This is because the bowling ball has created a gravitational field that the marble is responding to. This may seem like a small change, but it has had a huge impact on our understanding of the universe. Both of Einstein's theories revolutionized our understanding of the universe. They have had a profound impact on many areas of science, including cosmology, astrophysics, and quantum mechanics. His work laid the foundation for many modern technologies, and his influence on the scientific community is immeasurable. So next time you look up in the night sky, remember the man who helped us to understand the vastness of our universe, Albert Einstein. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun science videos. Until next time, keep asking questions and never stop exploring.